Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Matic future while talking about Polygon cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Polygon. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Polygon value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Matic is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Matic succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Polygon value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Matic and its to-date history. Polygon price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. Polygon price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September -13.57%, $0.6668. 2022 October -26.94%, $0.5636. 2022 November -30.76%, $0.5341. 2022 December -23.83%, $0.5876. 2023 Jan -18.37%, $0.6297. 2023 February -16.67%, $0.6428. 2023 Mar -4.09%, $0.7399. 2023 April -2.82%, $0.7497. 2023 May -0.42%, $0.7682. 2023 June +4.30%, $0.8046. 2023 July +17.58%, $0.9070. 2023 August +16.40%, $0.8980. Matic price prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees Matic coming to $1.91 in 2025. What will Matic be worth in 5 years? The cost of Matic in 5 years could lie around $1.37. Polygon price prediction 2030 to 2040. What Polygon will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Polygon coming to $4.77 in 2030. What Polygon will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Polygon coming to $9.55 in 2040. Will Polygon supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Polygon won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Polygon at any point reach $10? Indeed, Polygon could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Might Polygon at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Polygon to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Could Polygon at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Polygon to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is Polygon worth purchasing? We are supporters of decently unsafe financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Polygon merits purchasing. Is Polygon a wise speculation? Polygon is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Polygon be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.4675. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $4.77 or considerably higher. For what reason will Polygon succeed and become more expensive? Polygon has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Polygon ascending to $4.77 in 2030. For what reason will Polygon come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the undertaking, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of all-around plan showcasing procedure, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw on new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Polygon go? Our determining model sees Polygon value detonating and coming to $9.55 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Polygon? Polygon will reach $0.4675 in the following 90 days, which is a 39.4% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $0.7714. Could Polygon